Back. Those are new to this channel, this is Jayanth. So if you're new to my channel, we have started a Discord channel. It is just students community, and you can, if you wish to join our community, I have given the link in description. Do join in our channel. We'll have some good knowledge sharing over there, guys. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about deep placements. So it's the first series of placement in my channel. We're going to discuss about deep placement, how to avail the placement Infosys. Let's get started, guys. I'm just so excited, like this is the first video of placement series in my channel. I'm just so excited to share my knowledge with you and then to share my experience and knowledge with you guys. Let's get started, guys. So like when I say Infosys, like before, let's say how the process works at Infosys before, and we'll compare the process working at the now. So the traditional way of Infosys, like they just hire the students from top colleges and some small colleges. So after hiring students, they just divide the slots, like they just divide the slot wise. So after doing slot wise, they just ask the students to go to Mysore campus. So Mysore campus is where the Infosys has the best campus for training the students. So it's like a main campus at India for Infosys. So after after going Mysore, like students need to get training order for 6 to 8 months. So after training, they have after training they just filter students who are capable of doing work. They just hire those students for their work. So like now the way now they are doing, like they have a platform called InfyTQ. I don't know how many people are aware of this. So InfyTQ is nothing but it's just like a Coursera. In Coursera, you just have the modules over there. You just need to learn modules over there. After learning this module, you're just going to apply those modules in assignments. So after applying assignment, you'll be getting a certificate over there. Same follows in InfyTQ. InfyTQ you have a modules over there. You just need to learn those modules and you just need to apply those concepts in the final test. So if you get the final test 65%, you are eligible to get a certificate. So if you're clearing this test, you will get a certificate from Infosys, where you can use a certificate for getting a placement at Infosys. The way, like the traditional is like you're just wasting time for 8 months for just training, and companies wasting huge amount on training the students. So the new way, like using this InfyTQ platform, students are they are not wasting time on training, and then the organization is not wasting on spending huge amount of training. And one more thing, like benefit organization is that they don't have to interview each and every person, right? So when the students clear the test, they straight away jump into HR round. So whereas before like this platform, they just need to interview each and every person. They need to start the test, they need to give test, the aptitude test and interview, and then group discussion. They have lot of stuff, so that it's a time consuming process for students and company. So by just using InfyTQ, they just skip the all things. So in case if you get 65%, you'll be getting a certificate. Using the certificate, you can just jump into the company, which is a HR round, as a final round for getting a job. So this is the best opportunity, guys. Just grab the opportunities. So those are watching this video for 2020 graduation, I mean those are graduating next year, so this video is the best for you. And the students who are just first and second years, even you can watch this video, like you have plenty of amount of time. Now I just advise you guys, like just spend 1 hour in the InfyTQ domain, just learn the concepts and then do some problem solving. Just take half an hour and do some problem solving, and like get placements of your dream company. This advice for first and second years. So if you're third year, you are looking for top MNC companies, and this is the best time to apply for InfyTQ and just get into the Infosys. So now we'll discuss about the step-by-step process of InfyTQ domain. When is the registration deadline, when is the final round, what the advantages, what kind of role they are providing to you. We're going to discuss each and everything in this video. Like we'll just start discussing now. So I'm just using my laptop this time. Usually I take notes in paper, but this time I didn't have time to take the notes, so I just use my laptop. So don't mind when I bend my head to just look at key points, guys. Just sorry for that. Just adjust it. Next time I'll just know the papers, know the key points and papers. So like for registration, I just provide a link in description, and click on that link in description. Just register the Infosys platform for InfyTQ. The registration deadline for Infosys is March 28. So before March 28, you just need to register. So while registering, you need to book the slots. So like qualifying round, they have an April 2 and April they're just qualifying the students for the final round. For attending qualifying round, you just need to be good at Python or else Java. If you're good at any language, it's well and good. You can just apply it. Others, if you know basics, and even you can just apply it, just give a try, no issues. Like just giving a try is no issue. It's not going to be a problem for you, right? Just give a try. And they have a Java and Python. You just need to select the language while registering. So March 20 is deadline for registering process. After registering, you have a qualifying round at April 2 and 3. They will be having some basic stuff. So in the basic stuff, you're clearing the basic stuff, you'll just getting into a final round. So in the final round, it's on April 19 and 18. So it's on April 18 and 19, where you will be having some MCQ for 40% and 60% weightage. You will having two codes where you just need to do problem solving. You just need to solve those problems. So those problems, the language you chosen at the registration, for like if you chosen a Python, you will having a problem solving of Python in those two videos. And if you chosen a Java, and you will having two programs of Java order. You just need to solve those two problems, and you just need to attend the MCQs. So if you're getting 65% and above, you're getting an Infosys certificate. Using that Infosys certificate, you can just enter into any branch of Infosys for just HR round. You can just skip all the rounds like technical round, group discussion, and project review. All the stuff, you just omit those stuffs. If you're having the certificate, you can just walk through into company and you can just attend the HR round. This is the benefit of this exam, guys. Just like if you're a third year, just give a try. And like if you're looking for MNC company, you can just give a try. Or else if you're not looking for any MNC, if you're looking for research job, just give a try. Everyone can give a try. Just give a try, and in case if you get selected, you will have a certificate, and you can add a certificate in a profile. It will be a like good weightage for your profile. When you're applying for any foreign companies, it just give a good weightage for you. And then one more thing why Infosys providing is that they are providing some advantage round. Advantage round is nothing but like if you're selecting for final round, they'll provide certificate, right? So using the certificate, you can attend this advantage round exam. So advantage exam is on May 5, 7, 9. So in 3 days they're conducting advantage level. So major benefit of advantage level is like, so if you clear advantage level, you'll get a job at power programming. So power programming job is nothing but it's like a full of programming job. So like you will getting a job. It's a permanent job. You don't need to have any interviews over there. You just select after completing this advantage level, you just straight away get job as Infosys. So whereas if you just stop the pre-final round, you just stop the final round, you'll get a certificate. By using the certificate, you will get a job role of system engineering. System engineering is nothing but it's like a system management tool where you just need to install the configuration for the specific system, which is full of system management role. So like if you just stopping your exams at final round, you'll be having a system engineering role in your hand. So if you want to try advanced level exam, you're getting a job at power programming. It's a good job, right? So they have a package of 7 lakhs for power programming. You can give it a try. So one more opportunity Infosys providing is Hack with InfyTQ. So Hack with Infy is nothing but it's like hackathon. Infosys every year they used to conduct hackathon for college students. So in that hackathon they have a first round, it's online basic round. So it's a individual participant for first round. So after declaring first round, you will getting to select for next second round. Second round is a team based event. You'll having some amount of team. So in the team they provide a problem. You just need to solve that problem. So after solving that problem, in case if you solve the problem, if you cleared with 70%, they will providing you on-spot job opportunity as a power programming in their company. You'll get a package of 7 lakhs. This is cool, right? Even I'm going to participate in hackathon because hackathon's very cool. You'll get extra knowledge with so many people coming from all over India. It's a good way to just communicate. You will get a lot of contacts. You'll get a lot of exposure. So I would recommend everyone to attend the hackathon to get a good exposure. So that's it, guys. These are the 2 things which I want to share. And then if you're third year and if you're graduating in 2022, it's the right time to apply for it. After seeing this video as soon as possible, click on that link which I given in the description and register to the slot and attend the exams. No issues. If you didn't select, no issue. You can try for another thing. Just giving a try is nothing going to lose you guys. That's it for today's video, guys. We'll meet you soon. Bye.